friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's latest gaming desktop PC models. So friends, the Trident X2 13NUF-065 is the latest addition to the gaming PC Trident X2 series, featuring a touch panel for intuitive operations, and the touch panel allows user to monitor the system, switch between operating modes and adjust RGB lighting effects, and it also enables user to modify settings such as brightness, display mode and night vision for compatible MSI gaming displays. And the main specification for Trident X2 13NUF-065 include a Core i7 13700KF CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti graphics card, DDR5 32GB memory, Intel Z790 chipset, 1TB NVMe SSD storage, and 2.5 Gigabit LAN for network, Gigabit LAN, and IEEE 802.11a, B, G, and ACX wireless LAN plus Bluetooth 5.3. And friend, the Trident 13TC-064 is the latest model in the Trident 3 series and comes in a slim housing design, and main specification is Core i7 13700F CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3068GB graphics card, DDR4 16GB memory, Intel H610 chipset, 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, 2.5 Gigabit LAN for network, IEEE 802.11a, B, G, N, ACX wireless LAN plus Bluetooth 5.3. and friend, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home. And friend, if I talk about pricing, the Trident X2 13NUF-065 estimated price is around $3,581, and the other model Trident 13TC-064 estimated price is around $1,704. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.